Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back and let's chat a bit about ChatGPT. Why ChatGPT? Well, because it came out on November 2022 and it has been overtaking the internet by storm. I didn't really want to focus on this because I was thinking it's just a random text-based chatbot. However, people have figured out ways of making money with it, combining it with YouTube Shorts. I thought that YouTube Shorts won't be that much of a hit right now, but the trend is still on and I think it will still continue being on until YouTube overtakes TikTok. So let me explain you fast what ChatGPT is. It's like a fancy name, but basically it's a chatbot, an artificial intelligence bot. You can ask it anything and it will reply you just going through the internet and giving you results. For example, if you want to create shorts, let's say motivational shorts, you don't need to go on Google and search for motivational quotes and base them on the shorts individually. You just ask ChatGPT and it gives you the specific results. You can ask it for even more specific results and it gives you the results really accurately. So these results I am able to copy and paste into the YouTube Shorts, which I will be doing in the next video. It doesn't do anything for you, it doesn't earn you money, it just replies you in a complex way so you can save a lot of time instead of Googling all the necessary stuff. So for you to start using ChatGPT, the process is really simple. You just go on chat.openai.com, you sign up there with your email, you put your phone number, and that's basically it. Then you can start chatting. Sometimes the traffic is higher, so it tells you to wait. However, I didn't have to wait like more than 1 minute to chat with the bot, so you can try it out for yourselves if you want. And in my next video I will be doing YouTube Shorts with ChatGPT and showing you everything about it. By the way, I'm creating the YouTube Shorts, so it's taking me time. It's not that fast. Even though they are like 15 seconds, it still takes me like maybe around 20 minutes to make a perfect short. So it's not like you're gonna do 50 per day. Even if you copy paste shorts, you still need to modify them a bit, so it will still take you time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention, and in my next video I will be asking ChatGPT to help me declare a winner to my $12 giveaway.